everybody, this is Jacqueline with Jack of All Things, and today I'm going to show you how to remove tarnish from jewelry. So as you can see here, I have a necklace that's pretty well tarnished here, and with just a few quick ingredients and few minutes, we can turn this back to new again. So what you're going to need is a bowl. And to put some tin foil in that bowl, and you're going to do shiny side up, and just kind of put it in. Doesn't need to be perfect at all. Just put it in right at the bottom there. And you are going to take some boiling water and pour it right into the bowl. There's my boiling water. And for every cup of boiling water, you're going to want to put in 1 tablespoon of salt. Sprinkle that right in. And 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And if you need more than a cup, or you have a lot of jewelry that you want to do, the ratio is going to be 1 cup of water to 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of salt. So now that you have that there, I'm actually just going to stir this up just a little bit, and that you're going to see a little bit of bubbling. You may smell a little sulfur. It's actually creating a chemical reaction right now with those ingredients. So I'm going to take my tarnished jewelry and I'm going to plop that right in, and I want to make sure that it is touching the tin foil so that it could have its full reaction. So this is really good to use with sterling silver or fully silver pieces. You could use it with tablewares and flatware, forks, knives, and whatnot. I have heard others use it with silver plated items, but I have also heard that others have had issues with the silver coming off. So I would do those items very carefully if you do have silver plated items. And you don't want to do anything that has a gemstone either. That may tarnish that gemstone. So this is really just intended for fully silver pieces to remove that tarnish. So the amount of time that you're going to leave this in is going to vary. And you're going to just see it change in front of your eyes. You are going to see the tarnish removed directly from your jewelry and get clean again. So it could be 30 seconds, it could be up to 10 minutes. Just depending on how tarnished your jewelry is and how much joy you're putting in the bowl. So we're just going to give this a minute here. And when it's all set, I'm going to rinse it in some cool water and use a microfiber cloth or polishing cloth just to remove anything excess on it. Okay, I'm going to take it out now. You may want to use tongs depending on how hot your water is and how long it's been in. And as you can see, just coming right out of the water, that looks much, much cleaner from before. I'm going to just dip this quickly in some cool water here. Just rinse anything else off. And then I'm going to take a microfiber cloth and just give it one final polish and see how it came out. Look at that.